तुझ्या पूजेने is something very important. Right?
तुझ्या पूजेने
Then जमेल? You know तुझ्या पूजेने?
तुझ्या पूजेने
Right. So it's something with a very big age.
मराठी 36.
तुझ्या पूजेने फार आवडतं.
Thank you.